Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rice and peas using an easy method. We'll focus on using convenient canned kidney beans to save time without sacrificing flavor. First, gather all your ingredients, including rice, coconut milk, and your chosen aromatics. This simple approach ensures a satisfying meal with minimal fuss, perfect for any weeknight dinner. Let's begin by preparing our flavor base. Start by draining and rinsing your canned kidney beans well. Next, in a medium pot, sauté diced onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Then, add fresh thyme sprigs and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that essential Caribbean taste. Now it's time to cook the rice. Rinse your long-grain rice until the water runs clear, then add it to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in coconut milk and water, ensuring there is about 1 inch of liquid over the rice. Stir everything together, bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, covered, for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the steam to finish cooking the grains perfectly. Carefully remove the Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme sprigs. Finally, fluff the rice gently with a fork before serving it hot. It pairs wonderfully with various main dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.